Have you ever wondered which programming languages are actually worth learning right now? Today, we're going through the top 5 languages that are in the highest demand and shaping the future of tech. If you want to boost your career, build smarter projects, or stay ahead of the industry, these languages are the ones you should focus on. Let's get started. First up is Python. Python remains the most popular and beginner-friendly language because of its clean and readable syntax. It powers artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and data science. Here's a simple example. Imagine a function that analyzes a list of numbers, prints a message if any number is over 100, and returns the average. Even complex tasks feel simple because Python's structure is so easy to follow. That's exactly why beginners and professionals love it. Next, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is the backbone of the modern web. It runs on the front end of websites and also on the back end through tools like Node.js. It powers major frameworks such as React, Vue, and Angular. A common example is an asynchronous function that fetches user data from an API. With a few lines of code, JavaScript handles data retrieval, user interaction, and dynamic content. It's one of the most versatile languages you can learn. Moving on to Java, Java is known as the enterprise powerhouse. It runs on almost any operating system and is used heavily in large-scale applications and Android development. Take a basic example, a class called data processor with a method that converts input text into uppercase. Java's structure makes it ideal for building big, stable systems that companies rely on. Our fourth language is C#. Backed by Microsoft and used with the .NET framework, C# is great for desktop apps, web development, and especially game development with Unity. A simple example is a method that filters a list of strings and transforms them into uppercase using LINQ. LINQ makes data querying clean, powerful, and easy to read. That's why C# remains a favorite among developers. Finally, we have Go, also called Golang. Go is a rising star known for its speed and built-in concurrency. That means it can handle many tasks at the same time without slowing down. In cloud computing and DevOps, Go is becoming a major player. A good example is a function that processes data using Go routines. By adding the keyword Go, multiple tasks run in parallel with almost no effort. It's simple, elegant, and incredibly efficient. These top 5 languages are not just popular, they offer huge growth opportunities. Millions of developer positions require these skills, and salaries can be noticeably higher compared to other technologies. They drive innovation in AI, cloud computing, and web development, and they're used by major companies for their most important applications. If you're ready to start your programming journey, pick one language and begin with the basics. Master the fundamentals, build your first project, and keep experimenting. The future belongs to those who code. Thank you for watching, and happy coding. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out codelucky.com for more helpful content.